In 2015, dementia officially became Australia's second leading cause of death. With more than 81,000 Victorians living with dementia, Alzheimer's Australia Vic delivered core services to provide support and education, enhancing the lives of people living with dementia, their families and carers. Supported by a growing number of stakeholders worldwide, Alzheimer's Australia Vic has many achievements to share at the end of the first year of our 2014-2017 strategic plan. Here's a snapshot of just some of our activity over the last year. In July, a world first, an international AIDS conference launch for the HIV-associated neurocognitive disorders resource, part of the Dementia and Chronic Conditions Series Toolkit.
The commonest cause of dementia in young adults globally.
August saw the Virtual Dementia Experience win the National Eye Award in the Education category. The first of many accolades to come, the Virtual Dementia Experience, our groundbreaking interactive education technology, immerses participants in an environment that replicates the lived experience of a person with dementia.
A better insight into how people with Alzheimer's might feel and how overwhelming it can be.
Dementia Awareness Month, September 2014. The flagship awareness-raising campaign for Alzheimer's Australia brought the theme of creating a dementia-friendly nation to Victoria through a number of successful events, such as the inaugural Memory Walk and Jog in Geelong was supported by 1,200 people. The Innovations in Dementia Public Lecture, presented by Steve Milton of Innovations in Dementia UK. Our Dementia Leadership Forum with keynote address Technology and Dementia a Game Changer by Dr. Adam Ghazali. In October, the Honourable David Davis MP chose the opening of our Bendigo office to launch the Victorian Government's Dementia Action Plan. Alzheimer's Australia Vic celebrated Carers Week with a dinner for the exceptional carers who work tirelessly supporting people living with dementia, and our long-standing partnership with ExxonMobil supported another successful presentation of our Education Roadshow across Victoria. The Virtual Dementia Experience continued to impress on the global stage in November by winning the International 2014 Asia-Pacific Information Communications and Technology Alliance, a PICTA Award for Education e-learning. World Dementia Envoy Dr. Dennis Gillings, CBE, delivered the public lecture Cost, Care, Cure, the Global Dementia Challenge in December, highlighting how international collaboration strengthens the fight against dementia. In March, the Driving and Dementia GP Toolkit, a resource about driving and dementia for health professionals, was launched in partnership with RACV. 12 Alzheimer's Australia Vic staff members and 7 consumers attended the 30th Alzheimer's Disease International Conference in Perth. The conference brought together world leaders in social and medical dementia research from Australia, Canada, the United Kingdom and Germany to promote awareness, challenge preconceived ideas of dementia care and enable people living with dementia to have their voice heard on an international stage. In May, the Vietnamese Talking Book, a digital resource developed in partnership with the Royal District Nursing Service and the Australian Vietnamese Women's Association, was launched to inform community members about dementia. The Purposeful Activities for Dementia video resource went live, a new professional development and education resource developed for aged care and dementia care staff and carers as part of a project piloting the Montessori approach in planned aged care activity groups. And finally, in June, the release of the Dementia Friendly Communities White Paper at our Parliamentary Friends of Dementia group was attended by more than 15 Victorian Members of Parliament. Through the power of these partnerships and the growing understanding of the importance of a dementia-friendly community, Alzheimer's Australia Vic looks to a future of bigger and better outcomes for people impacted by dementia, their families and carers.